How to add Track 3D animation in Wix Studio. So in order to actually add this particular animation, you can just head over and then just select in here a particular element that you want to add this to. For example, let's add this to that particular video. Just head over and then click onto that element that you would want to use. Then from in there, click onto this animation and effects option. You can see in here these options for the animation. So just head over and then locate in here the animation for hover. For example, let's click onto this ad and we have in here some presets as well as custom. Now just head over right here to this mouse effects. Click on add because that's where you can see this track 3D. Click onto this right here and then it should be able to be applied. So this animation, you should be able to see it when you preview this particular site and it will have the kind of swinging from left to right, which is what we call track 3D. So that's how you add track 3D animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.